These are the best car engine sounds that will make you forget your ex's name. Bro, these sounds are so good even neighbors won't call the cops. They'll just open the window and vibe. Comment your favorite engine sound. But first, you will get insane amount of luck if you hit like and subscribe before this video ends. First, Ferrari 812 super fast. That V12 roar doesn't just sound good, it sounds like the gates of heaven opening, but with a little more illegal. Next, Lexus LFA. This isn't an exhaust note, it's a symphony. Sounds like an F1 car got a music degree and started performing at Coachella. Then, Lamborghini Aventador. Pure, deep, angry thunder. If God sneezed into a megaphone, this is what it would sound like. Finally, Dodge Challenger Hellcat.